Alright, so we are back with another video, and it's not the usual setting that you're probably going to see. Usually we're filming inside the garage, but today I thought that I'd bring the project outside and we'd take a look at it a little bit better in the light. It is a sunny day. So anyway, it's a little project that I've been working on that revolves a small little rotary dremel. It's not really a dremel. It's just a rotary tool, a really cheap one at that I bought from Kmart about 5 years ago. And it's actually served me really well. I've actually got it fixed in a little drill press vise, and what this is an adapter so I can put that in my quick change little tool post on my metal lathe. And believe it or not, this little handle will just raise this up and down. Now I don't think I'll be able to do this. I won't be able to do it one-handed, and I've got to tighten up these two little bolts, but it just raises up and down on a single piece of extruded aluminium box tube. And I've 3D printed the mount that the knob I didn't design, that was from Thingiverse. The rest of it I designed. So yeah, it's actually a cool little piece. I'm still yet to place some little bolts in there. I've got to drill and tap. I've got to secure this piece of tube into this here, which is just kind of just push fitted in. But other than that, to be honest, it turned out really well. It's just got a bit of threaded rod. There's a nut that's inserted into the bottom of it. I still got to drill 2 holes here for the knob. But yeah, for probably a couple dollars worth of parts, it turned out really well. And this was for the thought of milling a slot in the end of a round piece of tube, if I ever wanted to do a dune buggy axle. But you know, that's all going to depend on the carbide inserts or whatever inserts I plan to place into it. But I mean, if you liked the video or you liked the idea, please give it a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe if you really wish to. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. It really only took about a day, or not even that, really a night of just kind of design and tinkering around with it, and then that weekend it really come to life. So yeah, hope everyone can like, comment and subscribe and tell me what you thought of it. It doesn't have to go in a quick release lathe post. It can just be a bit of timber or anything, and you can use this as an adjustable drill press. So anyway guys, that's it. I hope everyone liked the video.